So what we're going to do in this lesson is look at the layout and the different tools that we have on the main ChatGPT website. So you first want to go to chat.openai.com, sign up for your account if you haven't already. And this is going to be our standard layout. We have our toolbar on the side here. We can clear our past conversations, and every time you create a new chat, like this, you click new chat and you type in whatever your question is, it's now gonna log that chat in this sidebar, and you can actually delete or you can rename your chat as well. And if we scroll down here, we can clear all of our conversations. We can change it from dark mode to light mode. We can open up the OpenAI Discord, which I highly recommend you checking out for information, FAQs, and the community that OpenAI is building. You can go to your account information, updates, and frequently asked questions page, and you can log out. So let's go ahead and do our first example search using ChatGPT. So I'm just going to type in explain how a DSLR camera shoots photos at the comprehension level of a 4th grader. You hit enter, and once you hit enter, boom, it puts in your question, and ChatGPT goes to work right away gathering your info. So while it's answering your question, you can click this button to stop it from generating an answer if you wanted to change something in your question, or after it answers, you can hit regenerate response, and it's going to basically pop out the same information but spoken in a different way. So I definitely recommend experimenting with ChatGPT to see how it answers your questions so you can really start to learn how it processes what you're saying. There's a thumb up and thumb down icon. This helps ChatGPT's team to hone in on what search answers and information are working well for their customers and what aren't. Now, if I wanted it to, for example, rewrite this answer as a 1,000, let's say actually say 500 word essay for a photography blog. I'm gonna hit enter. Oh, and by the way, while it's generating your information, you can click this stop generate button for it to stop right away generating its answer if you wanted to change your question or you just wanted to stop it for whatever other reason. And after that's done, you can regenerate the response. If for whatever reason you didn't get the response that you wanted and you don't want to change your question, you can click regenerate, and it's going to take that same information and give it back to you in a slightly different way. Up here as well, if you wanted to change your question, you can click this icon, and it's going to allow for you to go ahead and retype the information of your question to get a slightly different response. So just like that, we have now a rewritten version of our first question. Now we have a 500-word essay written for a photography blog. So I would really recommend getting on ChatGPT, asking it questions, and really trying to understand and see how it processes your questions and how it processes information so you can better learn how to use it.